Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another gorgeous looking South Indian bridal makeup look. This look was created for a live session with the brand The Drugstore Company. I'm so happy to be a part of it. The Drugstore Company has some amazing quality beauty blenders, skincare, lip care and some unique brush cleansers. You can find their products on Amazon or on their website. Let's get started with the makeup. With me, I have the very gorgeous Aishwarya Pillai today. Aishwarya is a classical dancer, and I'm so glad to have her today as my model. I'm starting with a clean skin like I usually do every time before I start the makeup. I'll start with hydrating her skin with plum grapeseed and sea buckthorn face mist. This mist is suitable for dry skin and creates a dewy base for the makeup. While selecting primer, I prefer cream or illuminating primer when skin does not show up pores. In simple terms, when skin is good, experiment with your primers. When skin shows up pores, avoid illuminating primers. Here I'm using my Too Faced Hangover Primer. Very lightweight and a very beautiful primer. Aishwarya has a very beautiful skin tone. I'm using my Illegal Corrector and Concealer in the shade medium beige, and I'm going to blend it with the blender. I'm using the Drugstore Company's blender here. It's one of their best selling. There is a pink, there is a black and a purple blender. Here I'm using the pink and the black one. These gets bigger in size when they are damp. To match Aishwarya's beautiful skin tone, I'm using Giorgio Armani Silk Luminous Foundation in the shade 7.5. First I'll start with one side of the face with a foundation brush. On the other half I'll blend with a blender so you can see the difference. The blender hasn't absorbed much of the product and the blending looks similar in terms of coverage. But this side it looks well blended. Now I'll use the same blender on the other side where I use the brush to blend and blend everything evenly. Once the foundation looks well blended, let's move on to concealing and highlighting. I'm using 3 products here. One is Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade medium beige. Then Born This Way Concealer from Too Faced in the shade light beige. And then there is Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Filter. I'm using this as a highlighter shade. The warmest shade will go in the inner corner, a little lighter shade will go below that, and the highlighter shade will just go on the high points of the face. Now let's blend out everything really well with the same blender. Now let's give some definition to the face. I'm using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Rich. I'm going to take a very tiny amount because this is really pigmented. And now I'm going to blend everything seamlessly with the help of a dense brush. In the nose area, I'm going to take a small blending brush and I'm going to blend it towards the crease of the eyes. Now I'll take a lighter concealer to use it on the lids to create a base for the upcoming eye makeup. Now that we are done with the cream part, let's move on with setting everything. I'm using my RCMA loose powder to set the base. And next I'm moving on with baking with Benai Banana loose powder. I'm mixing 2 shades here, banana and camel, to match her skin tone. Let's move on to the most interesting part now, that's the eye makeup. I'm going to be using my Morphe Jeffree Star palette today for the eye makeup. First I'm going to mix 2 shades in a bigger blending brush, and it's going to be pink and a brown shade, and I'm going to blend it on the crease. Next I'm going to take a smaller blending brush and I'm going to take a little darker shade, a little darker brown, and I'm going to deposit in the outer V of the eye. And I'm going to use the same blending brush which I used for the crease to blend out the edges. Next I'm going to take this golden pigment from this palette NK Makeup in the shade Oh Honey. This pigment is really nice and very long lasting, and there is hardly any fallout. Next, I'll use this pressed glitter from the same palette, and I'm going to apply just on the lids. Next, I'm going to take my Lakme Iconic Kajal and I'm going to concentrate on the lash line, and I'm going to smudge it a little with a pencil blending brush. I'm going to intensify the color with some more kajal and some more application of the kajal. We are going to follow the same procedure with the lower lash line, with the lower waterline as well. The same kajal and some more matte eyeshadows. We are going to blend it all together. Now let's talk a little about the skin. When it comes to skincare before makeup, I always prefer not to overdo anything. Skincare, according to me, is not just a Monday affair. Even if we are using one product at a time, we should be consistent with it to achieve the right results. Let's get it simple. For a simple skincare, cleansing, hydrating with a mist, moisturizing skin and lips can make a good difference to your skin. That's a quick tip about the skincare. So let's move on with the makeup now. I'm going to do my first layer of the eyeliner with my L'Oreal Super Line. I'm not a big fan of winged liner nowadays, but since this is a classic South Indian look, I'm going to go with a wing. Time to fix the lashes. I'm using Huda Beauty lash glue here. It took quite some time to fix the lashes because Aishwarya's her original lashes were lengthier than the actual false lash. Now we are going to set everything one last time with my Cocoa palette from Too Faced. I'm going to use the highlighter shades and some warm shades to give some more definition. We are almost at the end stage of makeup. I am finishing everything with some highlighter and a blush from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to add some blush from Dior. It's a mild pink shade which looks very nice on medium to deeper skin tones. We are going with a very classic red lipstick for this look. Up with two setting sprays, that is Pixi makeup fixing spray and Urban Decay all nighter setting spray to hold the makeup for a very long time, and finishing with two coats of mascara and again a coat of eyeliner. So that completes the makeup. Follow me on Instagram and tag me if you try to recreate my looks. My Instagram ID is Kavya's Bridal Makeovers, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and comment and tell me if you found this video helpful. And it takes a lot of effort to demonstrate a whole lot of steps in one video. So these beautiful traditional jewelry is from Sparkles by Archana. I have already collaborated with her in some of my previous shoots, and we'll be coming up with more such shoots, so stay tuned. I hope you guys like this look. Comment and tell me if you like this look and if you found this video helpful. For people who want to learn makeup and who wants to upgrade with makeup, do subscribe to my channel. I will be showing you more such looks and more eye makeup looks for you for your learning to get easy. See you in my next video. Love you all. Bye bye.